Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will share with you how to sell your crypto on Coinmena and what are the fees involved in the trading. You can see my portfolio over here. It's around 292 BD, all in Bitcoin. Click on trade. Since we are planning to sell, we'll click on sell. I'll go for max, so I'll sell everything. Coinmena will offer me around 293 Bahraini dinars. And if you see over here their fees, it is 0.00. But if you go on their fee structure, their money withdrawal, there are some minimum requirements, threshold actually. Minimum what you can withdraw in cash from Coinmena is 50 Bahraini dinars if you are in Bahrain. Similarly, for other countries also it's mentioned over here. And they are charging you 1.5 Bahraini dinar for withdrawal. So what exactly it means, when you are doing a trade, they are not charging you anything, but to withdraw cash from their exchange, they will charge you 1.5 Bahraini dinars. So you need to understand that you want to convert into cash, but keep it on their exchange, it is 0.0. But when you are withdrawing, money withdrawal, there is a fees associated with it. Similarly, same thing applies to digital assets also. Minimum deposit, there is no requirement, everything is zero. But if you want to withdraw digital assets, there are fees and there is a minimum amount of asset you must have in order to withdraw it from Coinmena. Let's say for Bitcoin, it's 0.002. The fees will be 0.0006. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you find this video informative, make sure to press the like button. Consider to subscribe the channel. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.